I could do a couple demos. Okay. First demo is, I mean, they're both pretty quick ones. So if you have like quite a bit of SQL going on up here, there's now a little draggy guy that we can drag down to expand this. That was team effort of me and Jared. So that's nice. Um, Second demo, also team effort, largely Steven's work on the back end to make this work. But if you have, oh, I still have very big. um, so if we have a SQL query, I think Steven may have already demoed that we're working on getting sorts working. None of this is live, by the way. It's all on a branch. But then now we can add a calculation to a SQL query and it can live. It sort of like lives on top of it. And oh, I think I accidentally blurred out there. And then you can actually run calcs on top of SQL queries. So pretty fun
Woohoo!
work in progress. Still a lot to be figured out there. A lot of the like I can't remove it now that I've added it and things like that. So still early days, but it is working, which is pretty cool.
Uh, is is the plan essentially? I'll just ask the obnoxious question. Is the plan complete coverage for everything? Like, are there going to be functional differences between SQL and anything else? Like, do we get X lookups? Do we get date math? Does everything just work the same way, or are there large areas of nuance?
I don't know if I have a good answer to that. I
Uh,
haven't tried X lookups yet.
Probably V0 will not have X lookups because they'll take, well, V0 might be pretty broke. V0, that's V0 and it's super broken. V1 probably won't have X lookups because they'll take a little extra work because there's already X lookups involved, this like careful running of multiple queries, and there's already this running of multiple queries to get the calc on top of SQL to work. So it's just a little more complex. Outside of X lookup, I want to say we'll have complete coverage because we know the types, and then at that point, everything is just on top of SQL, so the calcs should just work.
Cool. Perfect answer.
Have we decided how we're going to handle? And it sounds, I'm guessing this isn't implemented yet, so I'm just more curious how we plan to handle the situation where like the query changes and now the calc is broken.
That should just actually work pretty naturally with our calcs. It should be put into that little error state the calc has.
Yeah.
We need to do a little extra work for sorts, which don't have that. Just blow up your query. So we just need to make sure to put it in a mode where it'll drop the sort.
Cool.
Yeah, that error state's already there. Like, yeah, if I renamed a field in the SQL, it'll just be like bad ref.
Yeah, got it. And for sorts, or Stephen, it sounds like you were implying it won't, rather than erroring, we might just sort of ignore it.
Yeah, no more sort. You change the name of the sort.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the caveat, that's like more the thing there, not what Richard's done. Richard's stuff is solid. The thing he's demoing on is a little more whip than what we usually, the back end is like, I realized I thought what I had done was solid, and then like if you were to reload the page there, it all breaks. So like yeah, it's more of a whip it than what we usually show.